This meditation is called Guidance of the Soul. In this human realm, we have the personality, and the personality forms after we're born according to preferences, likes and dislikes, and all the circumstances that we're born into, including all of our life experience. And then there is an eternal part of us, an infinite part of us who chose to have this human experience, who came here to learn. And in the learning, compels and propels us forward. And this meditation is to bring about an awareness of what our soul is guiding us to do. And that's very important because we all came here for a specific reason, and that is to learn some very specific kinds of life lessons. And as we learn and master those lessons, we get to take on more and more of our soul self. So get ready now. This is a conversation and guidance from your soul. This meditation uses mantra and mudra and is a way of connecting the finite with the infinite. So let's begin now. This is a practice of Kundalini Yoga. So we begin with a tuning in process, a way of listening to our consciousness. But first, my name is Salima, yoga therapist, and this is the place to be if you're curious about Kundalini Yoga, how it works. I have teacher training and lots more practices here on this channel that will help you feel your true self. So first, find yourself in a comfortable position. That could be on a chair or on a couch or on a chair or on the floor, whichever one you prefer and feels best for your body. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Press your thumbs into the bone of your chest. Gently close your eyes and start to breathe. Breathe in life force. Breathe in awareness and presence. And as you stabilize yourself now, sit up tall and straight. Align your spine. Inhale very deeply. Draw energy from the base of your spine all the way up through the top of your head. Exhale and release. This time, inhale very deeply. Bring the energy all the way upwards and focus in between the eyebrows and slightly above. And exhale. And now we use the mantra Ong Namo Gurudev Namo to tune in. This is in the sacred language of Gurmukhi. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale and let's tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply and feel the presence of your soul, of your highest consciousness. And now from this place of awareness, let's begin. Align your neck and your spine. And from here, come into the mudra, bringing your first finger and thumb to touch. This is the mudra for wisdom. Lock your elbows into the sides of your body and spread your fingers wide. Good. This is the position that we'll be holding, and then including a flick of the wrist backwards as you chant the mantra Har, H-A-R. So you can chant along with me, H-A-R, flicking your tongue against the roof of your mouth as you chant, or you can simply listen to the sound that is created. Either one will work perfectly for today's meditation. So sitting up tall and straight, gently relax your eyes down, and now we begin. Har, 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 hard, 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 hard. 3, 2, 1. Inhale very deeply. Hold yourself steady. Exhale the breath. Inhale very deeply. Exhale. And one more time, take a deep inhale. And now squeeze all of your muscles, squeeze, tense, and hold your hands, your face, your feet, everything in between. And exhale through the mouth. Settle your hands all the way down to your knees. Take a moment. Notice everything that happened during that meditation. As you settle into this experience, just note that you can do this for 40 days to get the full impact and the benefits of this particular Kriya. And if you're in a time of conflict or in a time of transition where you're not quite sure what to do, listening in during this meditation is a great way to Get your soul's perspective on what to do and how to move forward. We complete the practice with another mantra, long sat, short nam, placing the hands up against the chest as we did before, pressing the palms together, long sat, short nam, truth is my name. Inhale very deeply. Sa. Na. Sa. Na. Sa. Na. Taking a moment to ground yourself, bringing your forehead to the ground or bowing your head in reverence, fingertips to forehead. Closing off the energy of today's practice. Lots more Kundalini Yoga ahead. Enjoy the practice. Drop a comment below. Let me know your experience of this particular meditation. And check the links down below so that you can see all the offerings that may interest you as you explore your practice and your truth. My name is Salima, yoga therapist. See you next time.